Hey guys, do not mind the way that I'm looking. I know I'm looking a little bit crazy. I'm doing a new series on TikTok, hence what's on my face at the moment. But today we're going to do another round of speed reviews. So this is technically week 3, 4 and 5 because the week 3 and week 4 I only use like 2 products. So I was like, and then week 5 I used like a fair few more. So anyway, let's get into it. So the first thing that I have to talk about is the Emco Beauty Lip Butter. This is the birthday cake one. It is their butter lip balm. Now this, when you buy it, it actually has shiny stuff all over it, but it just peeled straight off kind of thing. So that's one thing to keep in mind. Like, I personally don't care, but when you are paying money for a product, I feel like you don't want the packaging to start like coming apart in a sense. So I feel like that is one negative. Apart from that, I quite like this. It's in the scent birthday cake, but I don't get a whole lot of birthday cake. Like, it's very subtle. It smells like sweet, like a bit more vanilla-y, but I still like it. Like, I take this one to work, and yeah, you can see that I feel like I've used a fair bit of it already. But yeah, I do quite like this. I like the formula. But yeah, it's just not as like subtly scented, like nothing too intense. So yeah, it's quite nice. The next thing that we tried out in week 3 was this Light Lacquer by the Fireplace Polish. This was from, was it the Christmas collection or something? I can't remember. I think it might have been like the holiday collection last year. But yeah, it's like this red shade. It was quite pretty on the nails. I feel like it wasn't anything like revolutionary, like nothing stood out about it. Like, it's a pretty red shade. And yeah, that was all that I tried out in week 3. In week 4, we tried out more Light Lacquer. So these two were out of the Give Me the Night collection. These were the it's coming to me, New Year's Eve collection. So what was I going to say? Oh, I have a full dedicated review on that if you want to see, but I used 2 shades from that collection. We used Speak Easy to Me, which is this beautiful like brown shade with like, it kind of looks like, I think it's metallic or like something like that. I don't know, but it looks like silky. It's really pretty. And then we also use this shade called Super Freak, which I love this one so much. I think this shade is so pretty. And looked really, really nice on the nails. And yeah, love that one. Also from the Give Me the Night collection, I tried out these gems. They're so cute and pretty and just look really, what's the word? Kind of like fancy, I guess? I don't know. So they're the tiny little gems. We have like a brown, have like pink, gold, like silver, just like different little shades. It's kind of hard to show, unfortunately. But yeah, if you look on that video that I did where I tried these out in like my collection review, you can kind of see them on the actual nail. So that was everything I tried out in week 4, and now we're getting into week 5, which I've just realized I forgot something. That's fine, I'll get that at the end. Alright, so tried out the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. I quite like this. I feel like it's quite nice. I feel like, once again, like it's nothing revolutionary. It like doesn't really have a scent, it just smells like skincare. But yeah, it's quite a nice cleanser. It just feels nice on the skin, makes my skin feel like nice and clean, but it doesn't make it feel stripped. But yeah, like once again, it's nothing like stand out, it's just a cleanser really. But yeah, so I tried that one. Then I tried this Mecca face mask, and I actually really quite like this. So this is from Mecca Cosmetica. This is the Revitalizing Hydration Mask. I don't think I have any other hydration masks that I know of. I think all of them are like, you know, pore clearing or whatever, like stuff like that. But this is a hydration mask, and I actually really, really like this. I feel like it did really make my skin feel super hydrated, and just, it felt like a big, nice drink for the skin. I got this in a beauty loop last year, I think. That's what it looks like there. Once again, it doesn't really have a scent. But yeah, it's just quite a nice, like, it's kind of, oopsies. Uh-oh. It's all over my box now. But anyway, it's kind of has like a moisturizer texture. So yeah, you just leave it on. It's kind of like thick, not like super thick, but like it feels like it's like creating a barrier in a sense. And yeah, it just feels really nice, like a quite like a moisturizer. Obviously you leave it on, I think it's set for 20 minutes, and then you can either wash it off or you can actually just rub the excess into your skin. But yeah, I just really quite like it. Even on my hand there, it feels really nice. It's really like silky and smooth, and just, I don't know, I really liked that one. So pretty impressed with that. Next I tried the Benefit Get Unblocked Pore Clearing Makeup Removing Cleansing Oil. I think I like this. It does a good job of taking off my makeup and actually smells really nice. But it makes my eyes sting. But in saying that, I feel like a lot of cleansers make my eyes sting. Every time I take my makeup off, my eyes just sting so bad. The only one that I've found that doesn't do it is like the Clinique one. Not cleansers. Cleansers don't make my eyes sting. It's like the makeup removing stuff. So like this, the Mecca one that I've been using makes my eyes sting. But yeah, so I don't know, like, I don't know if it's me. I don't know what the go is. But yeah, I've found that it doesn't happen with the Clinique Take Off the Day Balm. The Mecca one that I've been using, it does, and then this one it does. So I don't know if I'm getting stuff in my eye, if I'm being, like, you know, it doesn't say, like, to keep it away from your eyes or anything. And yeah, like, cleansing oils are meant to be able to get all the makeup off, and that's where most of my makeup is, on the eyes. But yeah, I don't know. They just sting after I use some cleansing oils, and this is one of them, unfortunately. But apart from that, I do like it. I feel like it does a nice job of getting my makeup off. And it smells nice. They did send this to me a little while ago. And obviously this is like a small little size of it, but if you guys have the same issue, like making your eye sting, let me know. The next one that I tried out was the Body Shop Massage Melt. This is called the Breathe one. It's eucalyptus and rosemary. So I've used this twice. This is what it looks like. I got it in one of the advent calendars, I'm pretty sure. I actually really like this. This is what it looks like here. I feel like it's got a similar texture to Vicks if you've ever used that. So Kate has been using this to give me massages, and it's actually really nice. I feel like it feels really, really nice on the skin. One thing I hate about it is after we use it, the whole room smells like eucalyptus and rosemary for so long, which, I mean, like, eucalyptus is quite a strong scent, so like I can kind of understand that. But yeah, that's like the only downside. I feel like then the bedroom just stinks of it. But it actually feels so nice going on the skin. We've been using it after I've been playing netball, and it just feels so nice. So yeah, I do actually really quite enjoy that. I tried out this XO Beauty lip veil. This one's in the shade Diamonds. This was part of like her wedding collection or whatever that came out a little while ago. It's actually quite a pretty shade. I feel like this would make such a pretty liquid eyeshadow, would it not? But yeah, it's nice. It's, once again, like, nothing revolutionary. They do feel really nice on the lips, and it is like a very pretty shade, but nothing groundbreaking. A nice pretty gloss. I don't know, it is a gloss, but it's not like sticky. I don't know, it's called a lip veil, but yeah. I tried out this Morphe and Ashley Strong lip liner. This is in the shade Tourmaline Soul. Tourmaline, I don't know what that means. That's the shade there. It's kind of like a brownie, kind of purpley shade. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that, but it's nice. I like Morphe lip liners. I feel like it does not look anything like the shade on the bottom of the lid. So this is like a pinky berry shade, and then that's what it actually is there. Like, I just feel like they do not look very similar at all. But anyway, yeah, it's alright. It's pretty. Once again, it's nothing revolutionary, nothing that I'm like, oh my god. But, like, it's good, you know what I mean? I don't know why I bought this, but I have a habit sometimes of buying full collections of things, even if I know that I'm not going to like everything in the collection, which is what happened with this. I think these came out at Halloween one year. This is the Triantula Shower Jelly from Lush. It's cherry scented, which I don't like cherry scented things, so I don't know why I bought it. But in saying that, it's not the worst, like, scented cherry. Like, it is cherry scented, but I can stomach it. So it's in the shape of a tarantula. I'm not going to get it out because, one, it does make me feel a bit unwell, but also, two, it's like slimy and stuff. But yeah, it's shaped like a tarantula. It has 8 legs, and yeah, it's in the shape of a spider, and I kind of hate it. I'm not gonna lie, like, I kind of really hate it. I do like the shower jellies, they're alright. They're not my favourite product from Lush, but like, I do like them sometimes. We have a bit of a weird relationship. I've found like a new way to kind of use them that I quite like. Instead of getting the actual shower jelly out and rubbing it on my body, I just get my loofah and kind of stick it in the jar or in the tub and like, you know, get some like suds on it and then rub it on me, I guess. But yeah, I don't like cherry. I don't like the fact that it looks like a spider. It makes me feel weird. But yeah, apart from that, it feels nice on the skin, but I don't know why I bought that. This is the Body Shop shower scrub, which I started using last week, and it's already empty. I got this one also in a Body Shop calendar. This is the British Rose shower scrub. So, you know, I feel like this like tube, it looks like an alright size, you know what I mean? Like, it's not too bad. But I realised it's 50 mils, which is not that much. Like, for example, this P. Louise. This P. Louise base is 15 mils. What else do we have on here? Yeah, I feel like 50 mils is just not a lot. Especially for body scrub. So I think I used it up in a week. And yeah, it took me, I don't know, I maybe got like, I think 3 uses out of it, because when you're doing your whole body, like, that's not much. But I do love the British Rose scent, and this body scrub was quite nice. I feel like it's a nice everyday one, because it's not super exfoliating, but it still does a nice job. But that's an empty now. I also tried out this P. Louise Skin. This is the water spray. This one's in the shade Sensory Loving Lime, which, mind you, this confuses me so much, because look at it. Look at it. It looks like a gel in there, right? But it's water, and it sprays out like water. Like, I don't understand how that happens. Anyway, this is real nice. It has a very light, subtle lime scent, but it's really nice. Like, it's a water spray, so it's kind of like, you know, hydrating and light, and just feels nice on the skin, and it's like nice and refreshing. So yeah, I do quite like this. And then the last 2 things that we used or tried out were these P. Louise. This was the little, these are the bubblegum scented things. So they come in the juice boxes, I think. Yeah, I can't remember. But we tried out the bubblegum lip scrub, which is called Sojo Unbelievable. And then the lip mask is called I Choose, like as in like chew, like CHEWSU, lip sleeping mask. I liked both of these, honestly. One, they smell real good, so yummy. Oh, yum. And 2, they just feel really nice on the lips. So yeah, I like those. I'll go get out the last thing that we tried this week. And okay, so the last thing was the P. Louise Hundreds and Thousands of Dreams Bath Caviar. So this is just like bath salts. I got this in the advent calendar. And once again, they're nothing revolutionary. They smell real cute, actually. Real nice. They're like little bowls, and they're just like bath salts kind of thing, bath soak. And yeah, just, you know, a nice little addition to your bath, but that's like kind of, you know, like nothing revolutionary, you know what I mean? But yeah, so that was the speed reviews for the last couple of weeks. Don't worry, I'm catching up, so, like, I'm on week 6 at the moment. Like, I'm filming all these weeks, like, obviously in week 6, if that makes sense. So I'm filming the stuff that I'm talking about. I tried out last week, and this week I've already tried out enough to like make a dedicated video. So we're on track. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.